How to send picture in TikTok comments. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TikTok and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can launch the app. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the video in which you want to send picture. Go to the comment section. Now you have to select the comment that you want to reply with the picture. Just click on the option of reply. With that, you will see the message box, and beside that you will find this icon. Click on that. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can shoot the video or take the picture, or also you can choose the picture or video from your gallery. For instance, I will be uploading from my gallery. If you also want to do so, click on this upload option. Now go ahead and select the picture and then click on next. This picture will also be uploaded as video in your TikTok account. So from here you are able to edit this video. Go ahead and use different features of TikTok and edit your video. Once you are done, you can click on the option of next. You can customize the settings before you upload the video. Once you do that, click on post. So it's in the process to be uploaded. After you upload this video, you will be able to find the picture in the comment section as well. So you can go ahead and open the comment section. You will find the picture. So this way you can easily send picture in TikTok comments. By applying the same process, you are able to send picture in other TikTok comments as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.